Fans, friends, and family. It's your boy Ed Murray, baby. Murray Mini Motors. We back out here. Had to give y'all an update on Suzuki PE 175 out here. Got it running pretty crisp, baby. Tuned in. Dropped a fresh new piston and rings inside the head. Repainted the motor up. Exhaust pipe all painted up. Tuned in pretty daggone good now, y'all. Oh, yeah. I had to let y'all know. See, I got the hat on, baby. Let's go, PA. Let's go, Eagles, baby. Champions out here. Let's get it. All the way to the bowl. Let's see what happens, baby. Let's give her a little kick. Throw a leg up over here on it for y'all. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You see it, baby. One kick. One kick, baby. Murray Mini Motors. Bringing them dead bikes to life. That's good old two-stroke, baby. She smells so good. Crispy, baby. Crispy. Don't be so mean, baby. She running right. Y'all see her? Yeah. Good old smoke. Oh. Y'all stay tuned. I hope you get other footage, baby. Put it on the market. Future customers hopefully coming in, baby. Y'all holla at your boy, man. Ed Murray Mini Motors, man. We bringing these damn bikes back to life. Hashtag bike life. 1983 right here. It's 2023, y'all. It's a 40-year-old bike. Back to life. Yeah. 40-40. Lordy, baby. We out here.